Hey everybody, it's Adam Tereska down at Knoebels. Having a good time. We're riding the train today. My girlfriend Winnie and I are down here. We're having a good time, enjoying ourselves here. Try to come out and have a couple of rides, grab some candy apples, have ourselves something to eat, because why not? Waving to the other train. It's July 14th, 2024, and just time to enjoy a nice ride on the train. Over there you can see some of the camping area. There's a water slide here. We got one, the Twister roller coaster behind this. And we're going to get ready to go underneath it right now. Hopefully we can see one of the Twister trains come through here while we're going underneath it, because that would be really cool. Adds a little ambiance to it. And being dusk like this helps out even more. And unfortunately it doesn't look like we're going to get a train going through for the Twister, but that's okay. We'll probably get it on the way back. Winnie's right here in front of me. Hi. Winnie says hello, everybody. It's getting real. The Twister's got the lights on. We go on through. You can see the train's got the light on going through the tunnel. Another train. Got 3 trains running today. Oh, look at all the lights. Lights on here at the campsites here. That's always cool. Got some more decorations over there on the fence line. And we got the old tractors over here. Steam tractors. 1916, 1970 Frick steam tractors. They are in operating condition. Here's some of the cottages. And now we're going deep into the woods. I know I've done this train ride at Knoebels before, but I just can't get enough of it. I love it. Besides that, nature's always changing. You never know what you're going to come across. Last time I rode the train, I didn't film, and we missed deer crossing the tracks. That would have been neat to catch. Waving to some of the people here. Look at that house. Is that nice or what? That might be a family member who owns the park, one of the Knoebels family members. I would think that's who it would be. This is such a cool location. I love it down here. Knoebels Amusement Park is definitely by far my favorite park of every park I've been to, and I've been to hundreds of parks. Knoebels will always be my first choice. And we're slowing down because we may have some deer. Oh, we got deer. We have deer. We have deer, it looks like. We got something. Yes.
What is that, Mom?
We've got deer. There are deer in the woods. There's a whitetail jumping all the way through. Looks like I got it from what I can tell. I'll never grow tired of this park. 20 years from now, when I'm 73 years old, I'll still be coming down here. The tranquility and sanctuary of this park is just second to none. And it's an amusement park, no less. Looks like a maintenance section over here. The Knoebels, I know they do a lot of stuff in-house, so they always keep everything in top condition. Looking up the front of the train, you can see the American flags waving. You can see the light from the train glowing on it. It looks great. Cook traps, like a bear trap, possibly. It is a bear trap, and that's understandable. We need them in amusement parks. We got another train coming through. We got a windmill. There's another view of the lighted area here where the campers are over here. And we're about ready to go back through the tunnel one more time. How you doing? There was the Twister. Going back into the station, was right above us. You can see the lights. We continue through the Twister roller coaster. Now, this was just a short trip we did today, just because we could. We rode the Sploosh, we rode the Black Diamond. We're on the train now. We were hoping to get on the ski lift, sky ride, but that's shut down, unfortunately. And again, going underneath the water slides. Love the creek. Beautiful homemade wooden bridge. There's the pole. There's another train coming. And there's the Sploosh. That's our first ride we went on today, so we're both soaked. But that's okay. It's part of having fun. That's all that matters. There's the station where they will park the trains to keep them out of the weather. And now we're coming into the station where we'll be disembarking the train. And that concludes our ride on Knoebels Grove Station on the Knoebels Pioneer Train Ride. Have a great one, everybody. Bye-bye.